Hi, welcome to Chris Cook for You Too. Today we have a mocktail punch that you can serve on your Christmas table, during party time, or especially for your New Year's get together, and I'll tell you why. But let's first name the ingredients that you're going to need to make this mocktail punch. You're going to need orange juice, cranberry juice, Sprite. Now, if you want to use these in diet, you can, but the best flavor is going to come when you're not doing diet, and you know that. For garnishes, we're going to use cranberries, oranges, and lime slices. I want to use lemon, but I didn't have any, so I just went ahead and used what we actually had. But if you want to throw in some lemon with this, anything that you want to garnish with, you can go ahead and you can use that. Now, this is a kid-friendly punch, but you can make it adult-friendly. If you look at the three ingredients that is in this mocktail punch, the orange juice, you can use it, and for those adults that know what I'm talking about, orange juice is a chaser. You can use cranberry juice as well. That's also a chaser, and so is Sprite. So all three of these ingredients would be conducive if you wanted to add any type of beverage or any type of drink that would make this an adult drink. You can go ahead and do that. So you can turn it from a drink that's kid friendly. When the kids go to bed, you can turn it into an adult drink. Real easy. Now, we've added the orange juice, and it doesn't matter what order you add it. Just make certain that you add the Sprite last. So we added the orange juice, then we added the cranberry juice, and we use Simply Orange and Simply Cranberry because you get the best flavor from those, from anything that's made by Simply. I mean, it's just good flavor. And this is what you want to use, especially for that New Year's Eve party, because you can go ahead and just turn that into a straight cocktail and you'll be doing fine. Now, we're garnishing this with a little bit of cranberries, with some some limes and some oranges. You might as well add some lemons because I keep saying giving it a quick stir. Then we're going to add the top to this, and we're going to pour you up a glass of this delicious beverage. Now, I say again, wait until after the kids go to bed before you add it differently or separate the table, because the kids are going to reach for punch and they're going to think it's what they were drinking, and it'll be totally something else. But I think that you would enjoy this. I think that your guests will enjoy it. There you have it. Chris is making mocktail punch. If you try this, I think you're going to enjoy this. Okay, getting ready for your holidays. You got Christmas and you got New Year's that's coming up, and you'll be able to serve this delicious punch with, make it children or adults. And as always, thank you for watching Chris Cook for You Too, and stay safe. Bye.